In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up online intake forms in Practice Better. Online intake forms help you collect the information you need before a session starts, so everything is organized and ready when you open a client's chart. We'll walk through creating a form from the Forms and Waivers area, choosing the best way to build it, adding the right questions, and saving your work so it's ready to use. First, open Practice Better and head to My Practice, then select Forms and Waivers. This is your hub for anything related to client forms, including intake questionnaires, waivers, and consent documents. Starting here keeps all your forms consistent and easy to manage. Next, click Create Form, sometimes labeled Add New Form depending on your view. This opens the form creation workspace where you'll decide how you want to build the form. You have three solid options. If you want full control over every question and layout detail, start from scratch using the built-in form builder. It's great when you know exactly what you need and prefer a custom flow. If you'd rather move faster with proven structure, choose a ready-made template from the template library. Templates can be a useful starting point, especially for standard intake scenarios. You can still tweak wording, reorder sections, or remove anything that doesn't fit your practice. If speed is your priority, try the Automatic Form Builder, the AI-assisted option. It generates a draft for you based on your prompts, which you can then edit to match your preferences. Think of it as a shortcut to a solid first draft that you refine for clarity and tone. Once you've chosen your path, start adding fields using the toolbox. Be sure to include personal information like name and date of birth, contact details such as email and phone, relevant health history questions, and any consent or waiver language you require. If signatures are needed, add a signature field so clients can acknowledge policies electronically. Keep your questions clear and concise, and use the required toggle for items you must have to proceed, like emergency contact or key medical disclosures. Avoid overloading the form. Ask only what you truly need to provide safe, effective care. Group related questions into sections so clients can move through the form logically. When everything looks good, save the form. Saving ensures your layout, wording, and required settings are all preserved and ready to use the next time you need them. That's all there is to it. Your online intake form is now set up in Practice Better and ready to streamline your client onboarding.